Good afternoon. For those who don't know me, my name is Dennis Damon. I'm a long-term mentor and investor here at the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and like Todd, have been a part of Tech Wildcatters since its first days. I distinctly remember the pizza and beer shows of looking for an office and trying to find a home for us. So I'm very excited to see this program where it stands today. I was also the Chief Privacy and Security Officer for a company called Wildcatters that was acquired by Oracle about a year ago. And now I'm just returning back to work, actually about 30 days ago. You're probably kind of wondering why I'm telling you a little bit about this. I was actually in New York this week. I flew in this morning. I got up at 4:30 New York time to come in for the show today. So I've wasted about half my day already. Now, the second half is not a waste. Obviously, I'm here with a lot of family and friends and having a great day. But I think like most of you guys, and like myself, by tomorrow I'm going to be sitting down doing a lot of phone calls and emails. When I landed this morning, however, my wife dropped the dreaded time burglar on me, which was, we need to drop the minivan off at the dealership tomorrow. Correct. All right. So, and it turns out there's recall situations that are ongoing, but if you take a look at most of your schedules and mine, I've got children. I've got a pretty packed day tomorrow. I've got to get the kids to school by 8:30, at summer I need to find to get the car dropped off for her, doctor's appointments, and tons of other things. But as you guys know, dropping a car out at a dealership is not the best thing because you never know when you're going to get it back. In fact, probably by about 4 or 5 o'clock tomorrow, I'm going to be doing the good phone calls going, get my car ready, and somewhere in there they're going to say, yeah, we'll get it back to you on Saturday or Monday. The next company that you're about to hear from, My Dealer Service, has found a way to solve this problem, has found a way to allow me to focus on what's more important in my day, and that's my children and my wife and our sort of things that are ongoing within our household. So with that, I'd like to introduce to you the CEO and co-founder of My Dealer Service, Mr. John Rossi.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is John Rossi. I'm the CEO and co-founder of My Dealer Service. Today's a special day for me because it's my grandfather's 89th birthday. So I'm very honored to be here. So owning a dealership or a service center has its challenges. The technology is outdated, and a lot of the existing companies are not using technology. There's not currently a mobile-friendly solution for dealerships or service centers to use, which means they're not able to update their customers in real time. Service centers and dealerships are also looking for very competitive ways for customer retention and customer loyalty. And finally, dealerships are trying to increase their CSI. Now, the CSI is a customer satisfaction index, and it's how manufacturers incentivize the dealerships every quarter for having a high customer experience. So for these solutions, or for these problems, we've created My Dealer Service, which is a web-based application that can be used at any service center or dealership nationwide. It allows a service employee to be mobile at their job. It streamlines their daily tasks and procedures. It allows them to communicate with their customers and engage. And most importantly, it's getting real-time feedback with our auto-generated survey. Now let me show you some of the features. When a customer comes in, the service employee is able to document all the maintenance issues for every car. That information is then uploaded to a website for the customer to look at. Our solution also allows service employees to take photos of any suggested parts or repairs. Those photos, along with documents such as invoices or estimates, are then uploaded to the cloud for employee or for service customers to approve in confidentiality. Next, we're capturing real-time feedback based on the customer's experience. Now, all of these features make for a very satisfied customer, and a satisfied customer increases the dealership or service center's bottom line. Now let me tell you about, since we've been here at Tech Wildcatters in just 90 days. 2 months in, we secured our first customer, which is City Garage. City Garage has been in business for 21 years in the DFW area. Take a look at the screen, please. This is how most service employees and dealership employees track their daily jobs. It's not very 2014 if you ask me. Now, we took what City Garage was doing and we brought in My Dealer Service. We've given Walt, their service manager, the ability to step away from his desk so he's not answering one call after another from people people like us that want to know where our vehicle is in the repair status. Walt is able to take his mobile phone, use our web-based application, and document the maintenance for every vehicle that comes into his shop. Walt is now able to take his phone, send text messages real time when he's talking to the technician at the point of the repair, so the customer knows what is going on with their vehicle. Walt's also able to take his cell phone to take pictures of suggested parts and repairs and send them to the customer, so the customer can better understand why he or she needs to improve a suggested part or repair. Finally, most importantly, we're capturing the customer feedback real time with our auto-generated survey. Again, happy customers equal a better experience, which impacts the dealership's bottom line. So My Dealer Service is a web-based application that has no software or hardware requirements. It's 100% web-based. It works on any mobile device. It's a very seamless integration. And if you don't believe me, just ask Walt how happy he is that he no longer has to use pen and paper. He can get up from his desk, and he can actually work from anywhere in the building. So, is there competition? There is. A lot of these competitions are very big companies. They've been around for a very long time, but they're using outdated technology. They're not agile. They're not using current framework. What takes them months literally takes us days. It's teams like us that are innovative, that is using current technology and the current framework to be innovators in an industry that is about 7 years behind in technology. We don't require hardware or software. We don't require lengthy contracts. We don't have a proprietary software. And most importantly, we're not expensive. So, what does the market opportunity look like for a business like ours? Well, currently there's 137,000 dealerships, service centers, and collision repair centers just alone in the United States, which equals to a $1.6 billion market. And at $1,200 a month, that's some good money. What does the go-to-market strategy look like for My Dealer Service? It's by partnering with dealership consulting groups, such as the Ethos Group. Right now, the Ethos Group markets over 600 dealerships. They're based out of Irving, Texas. We're also going to target the top 100 mega dealers. So these are dealers that have multiple franchises all over the U.S. And finally, by attending the National Automotive Dealers Association conference every year. Our traction looks like this. In just 90 days, we've secured our first customer. There are 14 locations in the DFW area. We're projected to take our growth to 150 locations. Now, 150 locations may seem like a lot, but if you consider the average dealer has about 4 locations, we're only looking at about 38 to 40 actual customers. I've recruited an amazing team, and I'm proud to have all my guys here in front of me. We have over 30 years of software experience, design and development, using current technologies like Ruby on Rails. We have an amazing finance guy, and myself have over 9.5 years of dealership operations experience. We are the reason why those competition giants, why they are going to want to acquire us because of our mobile expertise. So, if you'd like to take a test drive, please take out your cell phones, text the letters MDS to the number on the screen, and you will see real time and experience what My Dealer Service does. Happy birthday, Grandpa. Thank you.